How to change Facebook password. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can change password on Facebook. So then, to begin with, check your internet connection and log into your Facebook account. Also make sure that the application is up to date. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, this is how the interface is going to look like. Alright, on this page you need to go ahead and tap on the three dot icon or the tab bar icon from the top right hand side corner. Go to gears from the top right hand side corner. Here you'll be able to see this kind of interface. So right on top you can see there is account center. Underneath you need to go ahead and tap on see more in account center. As soon as you click on it, you'll be able to see all sort of information here. Scroll down a bit, go to password and security. In order to make changes with your password, first of all you need to make sure that you know your current password. Then tap on change password, select the account, and after that, as already mentioned, type in your current password. And once you're done typing in your current password, enter in or create a new password. And once again you need to retype in for the confirmation. And as soon as you're done entering the information, click on change password, which is right at the bottom, and you'll be logged out of your device. And that is basically how you can change your password on Facebook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.